Hi everyone, today I will show you to use Mermaid Perfume in Heartopia. It's a super helpful fishing item that makes catching fish much easier. Mermaid Perfume lets you auto pull deep fish so you don't need to tap and hold anymore while reeling. And first just open your backpack and then just search for your Mermaid Perfume, this one, and then just simply tap on spray like this and then just equip your rod and just start fishing. For example, like this like this. When a fish bites your hook, normally you have to tap and hold to pull it, right? But with the Mermaid Perfume active like before, you only need to release your rod, and when the fish bites your hook, it's automatically reel in. And okay, and maybe this effect lasts for 2 minutes, so make sure you fish as much as possible during that time. And to get this mermaid perfume, you can buy it from NPC Vanya, but it will only unlock after your fishing hobby reaches level 6. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!